Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 11 Labs website and I'm going to show all the important features that we have in this particular website. The very first thing that we need to do is we should go to 11labs.io. This is the website, or you simply go to Google and type 11 Labs. It will show the website and you can click on it and it will take you to this particular website. So once you go to 11labs.io, once you click on home, it is going to show information something like this. On the left hand side, you see an option called voices here. Please click on voices. Once you click on voices, you see these options like explore, my voices, default voices, collections. If you see here, you have trending and filters. So if you click on trending, it is going to show all the trending voices and also the most famous voices we have in this platform. So if you click on most users here, it is going to show all the famous voices used by a lot of people. Let's say for example, there is this voice called Mark. It is used by 878.8k, probably 878,000 people. Grandpa Spuds Oxley, it is used by 709,000 people. So let me play this Mark voice and see how it sounds like.
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together, talk plainly. Let's give it a shot.
And let us also play Grandpa voice as well.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me when I was just 6 years old. Son, always speak the truth.
So you can go through all these voices and you can select one of them. Let's say for example you like Mark's voice, you click on this option here, use voice. If you see now, Mark's voice is added as your preference. Let's say for example you wish to add another voice. Click on voices here. Once you click on voices, click on this option and let's say for example click on character usage. You see a lot of options here and you can play any of these voices, and if you like them you can also add them. So let's play David's voice.
Later that same evening, Detective Carlson received an anonymous tip directing her to a second crime scene.
So this is David's voice. So you can play voices like this and you can add them to your list of voices. Let's play Adam's voice.
The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
So if you like this voice, all you need to do is click on add to my voices. So once you click on add to my voices, it is going to add to the list of voices. See, it says voice Adam Stone added to my voices. If you click on my voices here, it is going to show the list of voices that you are going to use for the narration. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.